Fulton RC.
Airport nila dito.
This is David together with my team here. Please do not hesitate here for a procedure. Please remain seated until your boarding group number is called. Check your boarding pass for your boarding group number. And please have your boarding pass and physical ID ready for scanning today. Cebu Pacific Flight 5J250 bound for Mactan, Cebu is now inviting guests under boarding group number 1. Boarding group number 1, leaving on board aircraft through gate number 1. This boarding group includes guests with video seats, senior citizens, persons with mobility and with disabilities, expectant mothers, and guests traveling with infants and small children. If you are not on boarding group number 1, please.
Hi, good afternoon.
Ang Cebu Pacific Flight 550 patungo Mactan, Cebu ay tumatanggap na ang aeroplano mula sa boarding group number 1. Boarding group number 1 nangyari